Sigh. Time to face the music. I'm getting up now. Okay, now. Jerk! I'm up. Loose. Hey, I knew I'd find you here. Oh, hi, Robert. Are you okay? You know, after my mom's... Yes, I'm fine. Let's just change the subject, okay? Right. So listen, I wanted to ask you something. Me too. What size shoe do you wear? Huh? Why? Forget it. What were you going to ask me? Well, you know how I like hanging out in this place. For some strange reason. Yeah, so? I thought this could be turned into a park. So people can have a place to hang out, kids can have a playground, bands can play live music, and we can grow our own food so we don't need to get it from other countries. Grow food? What's wrong with buying groceries? Well, almost all our food is shipped from far away. So when oil gets too expensive for transportation, or it runs out entirely, it won't matter because we'll have a neighborhood farm. Ack! I hate when you talk like that. No, I'm saying that it'll be okay. Just stop it. Nah. Hi, Luce. What's up? Oh, hi, Robert. Annika, Luce wants to turn this lot into a farm. She says we need to grow our own food or we'll starve. Ha! That's nuts. You know, there are supermarkets, Luce. Yeah, but the idea is, I thought it would be nice to, I think we need to learn to... A farm in the city. A tractor wouldn't even fit on this lot. It's crazy, right? Ugh, am I totally out to lunch? What if my idea really is crazy? Maybe I can't turn a garbage dump into a garden. Everyone will say a farm park is a stupid idea. It even sounds silly. Mom would say I'm totally dreaming. But don't people see that things are changing? And that we need to change too? Later that week. Crunch, crunch. Sigh. Click. Well, here goes nothing. Hi. Hello. How would you like to help me start a farm in the city? I don't want to buy whatever it is you're selling. Hi there. Would you be interested in learning to... Nope. Excuse me. Not interested. Oh, what's the point? Number 1006? That's us. Maybe there's an answer from the city about getting permission to use the lot. Winner. Arg. Just junk mail. All right. That's it. If no one's going to help me, I'll turn that lot into a food park myself. A few minutes later. Okay, I got gloves and a garbage bag. Time to take out the trash. Oh, gross. Forget that. I'll start over here instead. Where's Gord when you need him? Ack, this is all too hard. I'm sorry. I tried.
We are going to pause here, and on the next slide you're going to answer, why does Luce feel discouraged when she tries to start her project?